Sometimes looking at a pay stub can feel like you're trying to figure out a puzzle. Have you ever looked at a pay stub and saw these three letters, YTD, all over the place? YTD total, YTD gross, hours YTD. What does YTD mean? Let's settle all of this once and for all. YTD meaning. YTD is an acronym that stands for year to date. It is used on pay stubs to keep track of the amount of something since the first day of the year or the first day the employee started working in the year. For example, if an employee's YTD earning on March 1st is $8,000, that means from January 1st to March 1st, he or she has earned a total of $8,000. It's usefulness. YTD on a pay stub is not just useful in telling people how much they earned for the year, but it also helps them plan for their future. If a person is trying to save a certain amount of money for the year, the YTD number can tell them if they're on track or not. This can let them know if they might need to work extra hours or not. Another reason why YTD is useful is for tax purposes. Sometimes pay stubs only report the amount we earned before tax deductions, in which case this is called the YTD gross amount. This is a very useful number for someone who likes to know exactly how much money they should set aside for taxes. YTD usage. Aside from YTD gross, YTD is used to describe many other variables on the pay stub. Here are some of the most common ways and what they all mean. First, there's YTD gross. This is the amount a person earned for the year before deductions. Next, you have YTD net pay. This is the amount a person earned for the year after deductions. A third way YTD is used is YTD deductions. This is the amount that was deducted from a person's YTD gross for taxes, 401k plan, health savings account, commuter benefits, and other factors. Finally, there's the YTD hours. This is how many hours a person has worked for the year. Comparisons. Another reason why YTD figures on pay stubs are useful is that it allows employees to make comparisons between different jobs and years. If someone started a new job this year, they can grab the pay stubs from their last job or last year and compare the YTD numbers side by side from the same period. Of course, they would also have to take the amount of time they've worked into consideration. Reporting YTD numbers on pay stubs can be incredibly useful for your employees to keep track of their earnings in the long run. It can also be extremely gratifying for them to see how much they've earned and worked for the year. It is a testament to their hard work. If you would like to get started in setting up pay stubs or have any questions, be sure to let us know. And don't forget to share this article with your employees when they ask you, what does YTD mean? Let's get started on your pay stub today.